Hi there, it's Master Wong here. Did you have a beautiful New Year? And yesterday, as you know, I doing a New Year Eve video for you. Did you enjoy your New Year Eve out there? And if you do, you know you're gonna start ready for the 2022 now. So first off, kick off the new year with Bruce Lee learning the bang, the basic kick, basic boom, basic side kick of the G-Tech that Bruce Lee called this as a side kick. So kick it off to the New Year side. So here is my brother, Sifu Singh, will demonstrate and do a little bit demo, talk a little bit to you about the G-Tech, how it's going to be used and how you're going to train onto the New Year side. So have a look together.
All right, let's take a look at a demo of what the G-Tech looks like, okay? Go ahead, Brian. So I'm managing the distance, I'm moving. I always keep them busy on the highlight. There's the G-Tech. There's the G-Tech.
So you see, it's a beautiful movement and technique that you're going to learn through it. Because on this G-Tech here, you learn how to control the movement, but also using the leg to kick to be able to attack. The first move, boom, coming in, you're going to zap them hard. And then if you freeze them already, you can add a good more bang, the side kick for a good measure to make sure you kick them to the kingdom come. So let's watch a little bit more on this, that how Sifu Singh explained to you how to use it. Let's watch it together.
Okay, let's take a look at how to practice that G-Tech, the low line intercepting side kick with a partner safely. Goes right, go out. Okay, one of the key things that I want to show you here first is the stance. So anytime you're training a kick to the leg, both people have to be in cooperation. I need to protect my partner. Okay, at the same time that we protect the partner, we got to make sure that it's still realistic training, and we do it with a progression. So we're going to come right to the beginning here, and one of the first things is that Brian, because he knows I'm practicing this kick, whenever he steps, go to step, Brian, please. Okay, and then load the leg. Boom. See, he steps like this, puts his weight and makes this tight. He's never going to step with just a loose leg, do a loose leg, because if I just come with a little bit too much, he can get a hyperextension, and I don't want him to hurt his knee. So we're both aware of what's happening. And then the other thing is the targeting. In reality, I'm always going to be targeting his kneecap, okay? I'm targeting his kneecap, it's the weakest point. And the point I'm hitting him with is going to be from the middle of my foot to the heel. This is the sweet spot. Right here in the center is where I want to make contact. That's the hardest part of my foot, okay? This is the area. It's not this. It's not the center of my foot, and it's not the blade of my foot. The heel is where I'm looking. So this is the area I want. I want to put that area right on the knee in reality. However, in training with my partner, I'm going to always keep it on his side and even sometimes up on his hip just to train. When I work on the hook jog and I work on the heavy bag, which I'm going to show you later, I can target it exactly where I want and I can hit it as hard as I possibly want to develop power. But right now what we're looking to do is we're looking to work on precision and placement. Okay, those are the two P's of the four. And the four are precision, placement, psychology, and power. I'll get to psychology and power in a second. Right now we're looking for precision and placement. Precision is where the target is on him that I want to hit, and placement is what part of my foot am I placing precisely on the target that's coming at me. So in the beginning, before he takes the step, because remember the G-Tech is intercepting the step. It's intercepting the future time and space. So to do this, we have to first start off with him not stepping so I can get my target acquisition. So to do that, Brian, load that front leg for me, please. Okay, a little more. Boom, there you go. He's just loaded it. And I'm going to get a little bit of practice just to find what my range is. I want to see if I'm here. Oh, it's kind of muffled. I'm a little too close. At this option, I might want to go square. Okay, do you see that? That's the square G-Tech. That's the purpose. of the square G-Tech is that I'm in a closer range so that I can engage him with my hands, all right? So the other side, here's a square G-Tech, okay? That's okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter his lead. This is the square G-Tech. I'm a little bit more square, my hands are up, so I can come and I can engage in my boxing hands, okay? That's what the square G-Tech is for. So that's the range of the square G-Tech. It's a little bit closer. And for practice, see, if you notice, if I can do this, I can do that. You see how that? Boom. I just have to sit on the leg. That's why I had you do that exercise so you can sit on the leg. This is the square G-Tech. The bladed G-Tech, I have to be a little bit longer. So if you see, this is where I want to be for the bladed G-Tech. It's a little bit longer. When I do the bladed G-Tech, I'm going to follow up with kicks because I'm in a kicking range. When I do the square G-Tech, this is where I can follow up with my trapping and boxing hands, or I can follow up with my shoe. Okay? That's what I'm going to do.
Cool. You like that? You enjoy watching that training, and also you enjoy learning the Bruce Lee technique. So what is it is my brother here, Sifu Singh, he will do the kick of hunger, meaning helping to raising fund for helping hunger people. You know, people haven't got anything to eat. He gonna do 10,000 kick challenge. Start on a Monday. Okay, so if you interested into support and want to learn and train together and stuff like that, then underneath this video, they have the link there. Go to the Black Belt magazine, and then you will be able to take part on that. Okay, so that's what is it onto the G-Tech side. Also onto the Monday, that will be start on this coming Monday. Okay, so on the Monday also, as you know, I also have a Tai Chi challenge for you to be in practice as well, to learn as well, to getting your mind body together as the world with chaos, that a new year coming in, all sort of things happen to you, then you gather the energy coming to your body and forcing all the time the ground here, and then you're making a nice little bit of grave here to bury all the negative of the 2021 and start gather all the nice clean oxygen and start the brand new year. Okay, so that's what we're gonna have for you on the 3rd, that's on a Monday, on the 3rd of January. Two things. One is my brother doing 10,000 kick challenge. Okay, you can start, and I have the Tai Chi challenge for you as well. So get you exciting, get you ready. Underneath this videos or the link, check it out, and I will see you tomorrow. Master Wong here and out. As I mentioned before, as you're watching Bruce Lee, you will see Enter the Dragon. He said, "Don't looking down the floor. If you do, you're gonna get the kick to the nut. That will be the nightmare for you. While you bow and respect, keep an eye on your enemy. Otherwise, it can be a nightmare for you." Master Wong here and out.